There's a beautiful Lucy Shaw quote: "The poet's job is to notice."
Poetry camera is a camera that writes poems of what it sees. And it's a new sort of toy for creative experimentation that invites you to see the world around you in a new light.
You press the button and it scans the image for salient details. Then it passes on those details to the large language model, which is Claude, to write a poem based on that.
Wooden steps creak beneath terracotta dreams while spring... You're able to find new beauty, new interpretations, new ideas from what the camera creates.
It's not photography, it's not poetry, it's this new third thing. A lot of what's going to be happening with AI is this creation of new hybrid disciplines. I really see it as a self-expression magnifier.
If you're not putting your own soul into the work, and if other people can't see that, then what's the point?
So much about the world is telling you got to move faster, and it's really nice to have something that actually invites you to slow down and appreciate everything that's already around you.